This honestly feels like Christmas. You ready for this? And this beauty is the HOROW T38P. Let's get this installed, and don't worry, it's gonna be easy, I promise. What's the worst that can happen? I install it wrong and poop goes everywhere, right? Oh, it would be so awful. Here's what we're working with, what we got here. This is the remote. These are 2 battery packs for it, so you don't have to have it plugged in if the power goes out. You can still use it. This is the special foaming agent. Okay, let's do this. I have marked already, used this template and marked where the holes need to go so I can get this flange attached. The mounting blocks are gonna fit through here. Screws will go in here and they go through these mounting blocks. This T-piece comes with the bidet, and the top part is for the bidet water to clean, and then this is for the water to flush.